Phases of the cough reflex. Inspiratory phase. The vocal cords open wider, allowing more air into the lungs while the chest expands, increasing intrathoracic pressure. Compression phase. The epiglottis and vocal cords close, trapping air within the lungs and further increasing pressure. Expiratory phase. The internal intercostal and abdominal muscles contract, the vocal cords relax, and the epiglottis opens, releasing the pressure and expelling air and irritants forcefully.